Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to today's live session po. And I'm so excited because we have a very special guest for today joining us. So someone who is proof na it's never too late to start something new and achieve success. So for those who don't know me yet po, so my name po is Glenda. I'm an online business owner. I'm a mentor and a coach. And I am helping po hardworking people, especially po yung mga parents and immigrants to build a better future po through online business. So today po, we are joined by an inspiring woman, Sis Marie Chris. So I'm just going to add her on stage. So she's a full-time po na employee and a dedicated entrepreneur. So most importantly po, she's a loving grandmom of two. Am I correct, sis? Two?
Yes.
Okay, and her journey po is a proof that no matter po like how busy life gets, so when you have the will, there's always po a way. So if you're watching live po, just say hi in the comments po, and then if you have, feel free din po to drop your questions and we'll try to answer them. So, Sis Mary Chris, before we dive in, I'd love you to introduce yourself. So tell us a little about yourself.
Hello, Coach Glenda. Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're tuning in from. My name is Marie Chris. I'm originally from the Philippines, but I have been living here in the US since I was a teenager. I am a wife, a mother, a grandmother of two, just like what Coach Glenda mentioned. I'm a full-time healthcare worker and a blessed and thriving digital business owner.
All right. So, before I'm going to show this question that I'm going to ask you, Sis Marie Chris. So, my first question to you is, what was life like before you discovered this online business?
So before I discovered this online business, I was down and depressed. I wasn't looking forward to waking up in the morning anymore. What happened was, because of my work location, I couldn't be with my own family every single day. I only got to be with them on the weekend. Um, and that caused me a lot of anxieties. Every time I leave for work, to leave my husband behind and my own family, um, I feel really down. And the same thing when I come home to them on the weekend and I leave my parents behind, I go through the same emotions. And I think I struggled with that because I lost two of my children, and being separated from my loved one, it's really hard for me. So I was down and depressed, and I'm just thankful to God that He led me to this life-changing digital business. Um, I think if I didn't find this, um, I don't know how my life would be. I was really down, and I had to seek professional help. That's how bad I was. Um, I couldn't do it on my own. I couldn't get out of that situation on my own. Thankfully, when I saw your ad on my Facebook newsfeed, it really sparked hope inside of me. So, um, not jumping into the business just yet, just seeing your ad really gave me hope. Ang sarap ng feeling na parang nabunutan ako ng tinik na, oh my gosh, this is the answer to my prayer. God answered my prayer through you kasi I get to I get to work from home and be with my family na hindi na ako mahihiwalay sa kanila. So that's how my life was before, and I'm so thankful and grateful na andito na ako ngayon in this amazing community that we have.
Wow. That was tough and heartbreaking.
Yeah.
So I'm happy then na you trusted me, and then and kumbaga nandito ka na sa business ngayon, and I know na yung life mo when you found this business. So I'm happy to help, and yeah, it's like every day I'm also thankful that God used me as an instrument to share this business opportunity to everyone, kasi of course we are just human, so may ups and downs talaga sa life natin, and we truly talagang we meet people like for a purpose. So talagang ako din for myself, I'm really thankful because of this business. Mayroon din akong mga times na talagang may mga dark moments talaga na nangyayari sa life natin. And I may say that this business is one of the reason then why we keep like our like feet on the ground, and we keep on standing still with our lives. Okay, so thank you for sharing that sensitive information, Sis Marie Chris. I'm so we are so happy that to hear your journey. But I have this follow-up question. So since joining the business, what transformations have you experienced?
So since joining the business, that's 2 years ago, my life has completely changed. From being stressed and depressed, I now feel blessed and joyful and hopeful. And not only that, because of this amazing business, I now have extra streams of income. So now I don't have to worry about spending money. You know, I go out there and buy whatever I want and not think about, oh, baka kulangin ng budget. I don't think about that anymore because I know that money is going to keep coming, right?
Yeah.
And then this business allowed me, or is allowing me, to reach out to so many people. I don't have to go door to door, right? To sell products or do demos. People come to me. Yun ang maganda sa business, and that's one of the reasons why I joined in. Kasi dati mahihain ako, introverted, yeah? So
Same here.
hindi ako talaga maboka. So doing sales is not my thing. Pero nung malaman ko yung details about the business, na hindi ako mag door to door o magsisell o mangungulit ng family and friends. Hey, I want in. I want to give it a try and see if this is for me. Yun ang ginawa ko. And then dahil sa business na to, I've learned a lot of technical skills. I've learned marketing skills, sales skills, at saka personal development.
Correct.
Saan ka pupunta na matututunan mo yung mga yon, right? For free, hindi ka magbayad. Di ba?
Exactly.
So, every week, we have a chance to learn new things from other business partners na nag-volunteer ng time nila to share their knowledge, share their expertise, at saka, nagbibigay sila ng tips and tricks para tayo din, o like me na medyo bago-bago pa sa business, will also reach that success na, we're all longing for, di ba? So, since I started the business, I'm more confident na. Yung aking self-esteem is boosted. Tapos, I'm not too shy about starting a conversation with total strangers. So, sa elevator or sa grocery store, pwede na ako, I don't know what happened, but something changed inside of me. Pwede na akong engage into conversation, mag-start ng conversation with total strangers. So it really really changed my my life. It changed my perspective. I'm more grateful now too because of the influences that I get from everybody. I'm a
Mm-hmm.
much better person now than I was before. So I'm really grateful na God led me to this business. Feeling ko talaga this is from God because everything that I have witnessed in the business is positive. So lahat yan galing kay God kasi it's all good, it's all positive, di ba? So yeah, I'm just really grateful na I'm here. So thank you.
Wow. Your story is truly inspiring, Sis Mary Chris, and I'm happy with your transformations. I remember when you first messaged me, you had a lot of questions. We've been like talking over the phone. Like I remember it's late night already, but we talked like for an hour just to um parang to answer all your question na malaman mo that this is a legitimate business and
Mhm.
yung you don't have any hindi mo kailangan na experience or kasi you're asking how will I do it, what if I don't, yeah, parang yung mga questions mo lahat is parang um parang you're scared to try but you're like eager, you are determined to do this but
Mhm.
but syempre normal lang sa atin yan as a if it's something new talagang we really like scared.
Mhm.
Kaya for those of you who are watching and nakaka-resonate sa story ni Sis Marie Chris and you are curious about how the business works, so don't hesitate po to reach out and we're here po to guide you. So just like how like someone guided us then, just like Sis Marie Chris when she saw my ad, so we can guide you then in order for you to get started po. So, Sis Mary Chris, one last question. What's one piece of advice that you give to someone na yung mga scared and then they think na it's too late for them to start a business or like to build something for themselves?
Mm. So, ang piece of advice ko, um, watch our complimentary webinar
Mm-hmm.
without knowing the facts of our business. Don't make a decision because I got into the business not looking for a business. I got into the business wanting that opportunity to work from home so I could bond with my grandbaby. My grandbaby at the time saw me as a stranger because I was only seeing her 2 days a week. And a lot of times she was 1 year old. A lot of times she was asleep. So she didn't
Mm-hmm.
know me. Every time I reach out to her and try to give her a hug, she would prefer to go to her granddad, and
Oh.
that broke my heart. So the reason why I joined the business is so I could be with my husband every single day and bond with my grandbaby. At that time she was just the only one, and now there's two of them. But this business is going to be the key for me to achieve that goal, that dream that I have, that I want out of my life.
Mm-hmm.
Learn the facts,
Yeah.
do your due diligence, like what I did. I didn't know Coach Glenda. I did
Yeah.
not know her until I saw her out on my Facebook. But what did I do? um, I stalked her, and I'm sorry for saying that. I followed her page to get to know who she is, to really make sure that what she's offering me is legit. I look into who the people that she associate with. I also followed them, and watching one webinar didn't do it for me. I had to watch multiple webinars before I decided to jump in. I had to make sure that like everybody else, it's a natural feeling. You don't want to be scammed, you don't want to be taken advantage of. So I had to make sure that what I'm getting into is legit, because if it isn't, I wouldn't be part of it. And so my
Correct.
advice is watch the webinar, and then if you think it's for you and you want to get all the details, then you want to pay that membership fee, which is refundable within 30 days. If you think it's not for you, no problem. You just let us know, and you'll get your full money back.
Mm-hmm.
No, no risk involved, right?
Correct. Yeah, so thank you for that, sis Marie Chris.
You're
And
welcome.
yeah, so for those of you who are curious about this online business, we have our website up there, so you can register in there, and then please feel free po to drop all your questions if you have questions, and we are happy to answer it. And once again, thank you again, sis Marie Chris, for your time and for sharing your journey. We really appreciate you for that.
Thank you,
So
Coach, for having me.
yeah, so to everyone for watching, you are never too busy and too old or too late to start. So the best time to create a better future is now. So yeah, so again, thank you all for watching and for those who are catching the replay. And God bless po everyone. Sis Marie Chris, you want to say bye to our audience?
Well, before I say bye to everybody, I just want to say give yourself a chance to know the details about the business,
Mhm.
because when you do, you're going to be so thankful that you made time to watch that webinar or at least find out what the details are about the business. This
Correct.
business is going to change your life. It
Yeah.
changed my life and so many thousand others. So take time, pray about it. Let the Holy Spirit guide you to make that decision like I did. I knew from the very beginning this is heaven sent, and I listened. I listened to that prompting from the Holy Spirit, and I pray that you would do the same. So thank you everybody for tuning in, and God
Wow.
bless.
Thank you so much for wrapping it up with those beautiful words, Sis Marie Chris. Thank you again. And hello po again to everyone. Thank you for watching and for those who are catching the replay. Bye again po. God bless.
God bless everybody.